In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Happy You gift card. So for those people who do not know Happy You gift card, so basically it's a gift card given to you on like special occasion like in your birthday and other stuff, alright? So that's basically you guys can choose the option on like which type of occasion you want to give this Happy You gift card, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can buy it. So I'm going to be using Amazon.com, but you guys can use any online website to buy it. So let's get into the video. Before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel one step, and let's move on. So the first step is you want to go to Amazon.com and log in into your account. After you do that, on the search bar at the top, you want to search for a Happy You gift card and you want to search for it. After you search for a Happy You gift card, you want to click on Happy You gift card email delivery over here. So over here, the only option you guys have is the email delivery, which means you guys are going to get the email version of this gift card, all right? Now over here, you can enter the amount. So I want the $100 one, so I'm going to enter $100. After that, you want to enter the email to where you want to send it. So since I want to send this to myself, I'm going to enter my email, but you want to enter the email to whom you want to send this to, alright? After you enter the email, you want to enter the name of yourself. After you enter your name, you want to enter the message, but if you don't want to enter any message, you can leave it empty as well. Then you want to choose the quantity. I want only one, so one is fine for me. Then you want to choose a delivery date. So I want this card to be emailed to myself on 4th November, which is tomorrow. So basically, once I do that, I want to click on add to cart. Once I click on add to cart, basically this is going to be added to my cart. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. Now, once I click on proceed to checkout, basically it's going to ask for my payment detail and other stuff, all right? So basically after filling up this payment detail form, this card will be ordered and it's going to be sent to my email tomorrow because that's the delivery date I chose. So that's basically how you guys can buy a Happy You gift card. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.